Hi guys, welcome to our new video. This is a very exciting video. We're going to show you how to refill your eco tank. They call it Epson L4150. Epson L4150. So you have to, what you got to do, you have to open here. See here? Okay. When that is there, then I think, let me get one thing to hold here. It should. Okay, when you pull it up, it's gonna stand on its own. Then this is the cover. Take out the cover like this. Then if you wanna start with black, you open this. Once you open, look, I bought new inks here. Yeah, so I bought new inks. Then I need to start with black. This is black, right? Okay. When this is black, it's gonna be what? Yeah, I'm sorry. So this is black and full. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open it. I'm sorry, I'm trying to open it using okay. It's like this. So I'm gonna open it. When you open it, it has a nozzle like this. You get me? So other people, like they use other inks which they say it can't go in, because you see the design is different here. It has to look like this. So what you do, when you put it on top here, once you put it on top, it starts filling the ink. You can see it's gonna go up and up and up. It's gonna fill the ink. And so, like in the middle of this, we want it to be here. You don't pull it too much. You could easily end here. You get me? You don't have to put a lot. Okay. You can hear that. Then it's going up. Going up. Once it reaches here, you stop. Yeah, I don't want to overfill it. I stop from there. Right, that's fine. So after that, I'll close this. Then I look at my yellow. Look, my yellow is a bit fine, so I'm gonna say magenta and cyan. So cyan. Make sure each color you put it in its own color. This is cyan, is the last one. I'm not going to put yellow because yellow is already there. So I'm gonna use cyan here. I'm gonna put cyan. Okay. Okay, when you open there, let me put it like this. So put it in. Yeah, there was some. You can see it going quick, fast, quick, finish. Okay, I'm done with that. Okay, each and every color, I think I'm fine. I remain with magenta, but magenta also seems like there's some ink in that. This is magenta. I'm gonna also refill. Okay. Okay, magenta, we open magenta. So closing here. Just have to press it here. So you can see it's going up. Okay, take it out. Well, this is done. Guys, once you're done, you close it here. You cover it. Press this guy down. So you're done. You're good to go. I would like to say that's gonna be the conclusion of our video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video. And if you have any problems, you have to tell us. Remember, we didn't use yellow because yellow already we had some ink. So you have to buy You have to buy the exact ink for this Epson. Sometimes it has a number, Epson what, you get me, the numbers of the ink. So they sell them in the pack. So thanks, and hope to see you in the next video.